Welcome to our in-depth comparison of two powerful AMD processors, the Ryzen 5 7600 and the Ryzen 7 7800X3D. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and value to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just looking for a reliable CPU for everyday tasks, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. When it comes to performance, the Ryzen 5 7600 offers a solid experience for gaming and multitasking, thanks to its 6 cores and 12 threads. However, the Ryzen 7 7800X3D takes the lead with its 8 cores and 16 threads, providing superior performance in demanding applications and gaming scenarios. Users have reported that the 7800X3D excels in 1080p and 1440p gaming, making it the better choice for high-performance tasks. Price is a significant factor when choosing between these two processors. The Ryzen 5 7600 is priced at $229, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers looking for good performance. In contrast, the Ryzen 7 7800X3D comes in at $449, reflecting its higher core count and enhanced capabilities. While the 7800X3D offers excellent performance, the price point may be a consideration for those on a tighter budget. Power consumption is another critical aspect to consider. The Ryzen 5 7600 has a thermal design power, TDP, of 65W, which means it runs cooler and is more power efficient, making it suitable for compact builds. On the other hand, the Ryzen 7 7800X3D has a TDP of 120W, indicating that it requires more power and a robust cooling solution. This difference can impact your overall system design and energy costs over time. In conclusion, the AMD Ryzen 5 7600 is an excellent choice for budget-conscious users who need a reliable processor for everyday tasks and light gaming. Meanwhile, the Ryzen 7 7800X3D is ideal for gamers and content creators seeking top-tier performance. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.